After understanding of principle of insurance, next topic we have types of insurance. In types of insurance, you can expect for 4 marks in the examination. Let us understand the types of insurance. This chart is showing that types of insurance. The insurance can be classified as a two types. One is life insurance, another one general insurance. The general insurance further categorized as a three categories. One is marine insurance, fire insurance and other insurance. In other insurance, we can look at that we have that burglary insurance, cattle insurance, crop insurance, sports insurance, Amrita Shiksha Yojana, Rajeshwari Mahila Kalyana Bima Yojana, health insurance, vehicle insurance. The health insurance, this insurance will comes in the life insurance only. Got it? Let us understand or let us know that each and every topic in detail. The first we have life insurance. In this class we are going to learning only the life insurance. In the next classes we are going to learning fire insurance and marine insurance. The life insurance. Before knowing of meaning of life insurance, we have to know that why that the life insurance concept or why that life insurance policy has been introduced. In man's life, full of uncertainties and risk, the unexpected event we cannot expect in a man's life. The man can take a death for any reason, maybe the illness, personal accident. So that is the reason the man can leave his family. So the man has to give a protection to his family. That is the reason here the person has taken a policy after his death. Some of the amount or compensation will providing to the or provided to the insurance company to his family. So that is the reason here the life insurance it's a very important. A life insurance policy was introduced as a protection against the uncertainty of life, but gradually its scope has widened and there are various types of insurance policies suit the requirement of an individual. The life insurance has been introduced for the protection for a family because in one family the one person may earning after his death. For that family it's a very difficult to survive. So the person has taken a life insurance policy after his death. The sum of the amount will going to get by the family members, that is only will get by the who has written that name, that means in the insurance document, that is that person will going to get the policy amount. In that life insurance we have the different insurance policies like disability insurance, health or medical insurance, annuity insurance and insurance proper. These are the different types of insurance policy or different policies we can look in the life insurance concept. Let us understand the meaning of life insurance. This you can expect for 1 marks question in the final examination. What is life insurance? Life insurance, it is a contract between insurer and the policy holder. The policy holder here insured, in which the insurer guarantees payment of a death or benefit to named beneficiary when the insured dies. Here the insured will going to get or insured will going to take a life insurance policy. He is supposed to take a or pay the premium per month or 3 month once or 6 months once or yearly once. He has to supposed to pay the premium for the policy after the death, the insurer, that means the assured, or the LIC company, or the life insurance company, they are going to paying, or they are going to providing the guarantee of some payment to his family only after the policy holder death. It is called life insurance. That means, in simple word, it is a contract between the two parties, insured and insured. The insured has to pay the sum of the premium for a policy. After that insured, the insurer will going to provide the compensation to the insured family. It is called life insurance. In life insurance, the two principles it is applicable. One is principle of utmost good faith. Second principle, principle of insurable interest. And keep it in mind, the principle of indemnity, it is not applicable for a life insurance. You have learned the principle of indemnity. That means the person, that means the insurer, he can take the same position. That means here the same position, it is a very difficult to bring. That means it is a very difficult to give a life for a insured by the insurer. The principle of indemnity principle, it will not applicable for a life insurance. And next topic we have types of life insurance policies. Before learning of this, we have to know that what is the advantages or merits of life insurance. Why they have that introduced? The first merit we have encourage saving habit, and we have second one protection to the family, assured tax concession. If you are taking a life insurance policy, you may eligible for a tax concession, and investment, and that investment will be you can get a return, and capital mobilization. These are the advantages. Here next we have types of insurance policies. In insurance policies, we have the different types, that to be life insurance policies. This you can expect for 4 marks in the examination. Let us see that what are the types of insurance policies. First one, we have whole life policy. Second one, endowment life assurance policy. Third point, joint life policy. Fourth one, annuity policy. Fifth one, children's endowment policy. These are the 5 types in the types of life insurance policy. Let us discuss each and every in detail. First one, whole life policy. In this kind of policy, the amount payable to the insured will not be paid before the death of assured. The premium will be payable for a fixed period, that is 20 to 30 years for a whole life assured. If premium is payable for a fixed period, the policy will continue till death of assured. In this type of policy, the insured, that is the policy holder, take a policy, and for that policy he has to suppose to pay the premium for up to the number of years. Suppose Mr. A will going to take a policy for up to that 25 years. He supposed to pay the 25 years, or else after the death of A, the insurance company will provide a compensation. Until or unless they are not supposed to pay the compensation or the policy amount up to that the death of a person. It is called whole life policy. Whole, that means up to that a person, whenever or wherever, sorry, here up to that a person, he has to supposed to pay the premium of his whole life. It is called whole life policy. And next we have endowment life assurance policy. Here the insurer, that is the insurance company, undertakes to pay the specified sum when the insured attains particular age or is death, whichever is earlier, the sum of or the sum is payable to his legal or nominee named there is in case of death assured. In this type of policy, if the policy holder take a policy, is supposed to pay the premium, and here is supposed to, or he can take policy of, he can fix that particular age. Suppose Mr. Ganesh will going to take a policy, and up to that particular age, suppose like a 30 years, 30 years is supposed to pay the premium up to that the period of time. And also here they have the condition, the insurance company will pay the specified amount of Mr. Ganesh whether he has attained that particular age. If he completed that 30 years, he is supposed to provide the sum of the amount. Or else second condition they have that if is death, that means the Ganesh, if he taken a death, after that the insurance company will provide a compensation. That means age or a death, whichever is earlier, whichever is comes first, the compensation will provided by the insurance company. It is called endowment life assurance policy. Here important, the point is the insurance amount will provided, or they will going to given to that only the nominee. Nominee means when you are going to filling that the insurance application form, and that particular time you have that nominee column. In that nominee column you have to supposed to mention that name, write the name, that person will going to take that amount after the death of particular person. It is called the nominee. Next we have joint life policy. This policy taken up by two or more persons. The premium is paid jointly, either of them in installment, lump sum. The assured sum policy money is payable upon the death of any one person. That means this kind of policy will taken are suitable for husband and wife. They are going to take a joint life policy. Two persons will going to take a policy. Either any one or two persons, they are going to supposed to pay the sum of a lump sum or installment, the premium. This the compensation how they're going to provide, husband and wife, any one of them, if they supposed to take a death, the insurance company will provide the compensation to the of any one person. It is called joint life policy. And next we have annuity policy. Under this policy, the assured sum policy money is payable after the assured attains certain particular age, a certain age. This premium has to pay monthly, quarterly, or annual installment. This policy explains you that you have taken a policy to complete that particular age. Suppose Mr. Kumar has taken a policy for a 35 years. After completed of 35 years, he can or he is eligible to take up the sum of the amount. This amount will provided by insurance company, but the Kumar has to pay the premium the monthly wise or quarterly wise or off yearly or annual installment. He has to pay the money to the insurance company. This is called annuity policy. And last but not the least, we have children's endowment policy. The policy is taken by the for a purpose for a children's. What purpose here? The children's education or a marriage purpose. The agreement states that certain sum will be paid by insurer when the children attain particular age. This policy has taken by their parents because for their children's, because the main reason for the education purpose or marriage purpose. If suppose the parents has taken a policy for the marriage purpose, the he or she may attains the particular age. After that only the insurance company will going to provide not compensation, they will going to provide the sum of the amount. Compensation means the person has to death or the particular event has to happen. Here the compensation, we should not use that word, only we have to use the word of sum of the amount. Got it? It is called children's endowment policy. These are the different policies we have that in life insurance policies. In the next class I'll going to explain you that is fire and marine insurance. Thank you. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಫನ್ನಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ತಮಾಷೆ ಕತೆ. ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಟಾರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಟಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಕ್ಕ 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 ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮನೆಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಟಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಜಗಳ ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಜಗಳ ಆಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬ ಇತ್ತು, ಗಂಡ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಂಡತಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ. ಇವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಮಲಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಪ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕೋಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಬೈಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗಂಡನ ಮೇಲೇ ಬೈತಿದ್ಲು. ಯಾರೇ ಏನೇ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿ, ಆ ವಟಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೈತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೈತಿದ್ಲು? ಅವರ ಗಂಡನಿಗೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಮಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಬೈತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಪ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾವಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಬಾವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಟಾರದವರು ಕುಡಿಯುವ ನೀರನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು 6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರು 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನೀರಿಗೆ. ಈ ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಮಲಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ವಿಪರೀತ ಕೋಪ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಈ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಚಿಂತೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಲೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಜಗಳ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಗಳವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷಪಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಈ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನೋ ಅಪ್ಪಿತಪ್ಪಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಜಗಳ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಜಗಳ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೋದು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಂಥ ರಾಮಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ. ಬಟ್ ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಗೊಣಗಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ರಾಮಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಕೋಪ ನೆತ್ತಿಗೇರ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಸಿಟ್ಟು. ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪರ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಮಲಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಪರ 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 ಅಂತ ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಕಮಲಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಶಾಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಷನ್ಸಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದಿರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು, ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಎದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಲು. ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಾಮಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಟಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಒಂದು ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ತೊಗೊಬನ್ರಿ, ಬಿದಿರಿನ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ತೊಗೊಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ತೊಗೊಬಂದು ಆ ಕಮಲಮ್ಮನ ಬುಟ್ಟಿಲಿ ಕೂರಿಸಿ, ಬಾವಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಹಗ್ಗ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬುಟ್ಟಿಲಿರೋಂಥ ಕಮಲಮ್ಮನ ಬಾವಿಗಿಳಿಸಿ 1 2 3 ಸರಿ ಬಾವಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಭಯಪಡಿಸೋ ಥರ ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಬೇಡ 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 ನಾನು ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ತಳ್ಳಬೇಡಿ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಜಗಳ ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ಲು. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯಪಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೀಯಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ, ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಆಗ ಕಮಲಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ, ನಂದು ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮಾರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ನಡೀತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋವಂಥವ್ರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ, ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೋಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಕೆಟ್ಟದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನೇ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಗುವಿನ ಒಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.